your first Bitcoin or your first cryptocurrency, this video is specifically for them, simplifying the steps. All you need to do is 3 steps, and I'm going to show you how do you do that. Sign up to the best exchange in the world, and then ensure that you sign up via a link, because you anyways have to sign up to an exchange to buy your crypto, right? Ensure that you sign up via a link which gives you the maximum benefit. So here we are going to show you that you sign up via a specific referral link so that you qualify to win 1 full Bitcoin. And I'm pretty sure everyone would want to win 1 full Bitcoin. It is not just one time. You sign up for the one time, and every 1,000 referral that completes with that referral link, they are going to withdraw. They are going to repeat the lucky draw again. So you can win 1 Bitcoin over and over again. The second step, simply deposit the money. Then I'm going to show you how do you deposit the money. The third step, how do you buy and sell any of the crypto, let's say the Bitcoin in this case. So please make sure you watch the video completely till the end. I'm going to simplify all the steps for you guys. So the first and the foremost step, you have to sign up for the exchange. Obviously, we all want to sign up for the best exchange out there in the world. Which is the best exchange? Without any doubt, Binance is the biggest and the best exchange. Why? Because they have highest trading volume above every other exchange available. They have maximum amount of capital, so that even in the times of crisis, when like in the depths of the bear market, something goes bad, some hack happens, they have enough capital to reimburse their customers. So this is like the Bitcoin of exchanges. This is like the sitting at the top. So definitely you would want to go with the Binance. Now, how do you sign up with the exchange via which you can win 1 full Bitcoin? The link is down below in the video description. That's the referral link, our referral link basically. And every time 1,000 referral completes, we are going to make a lucky draw, and you will be qualified to win 1 full Bitcoin. In fact, I have just left a quick video. How does it work? So basically, you just sign up completely free, and the first crypto that you buy makes you qualified for that lucky draw. It'll be enough for 1 Bitcoin to change the life of any person. Why? Because he can reapply that money, and probably over a period of time, it might go 100x in the coming times. And any time that you're watching this video, it will be applied, because even let's say we have reached 10,000 referrals 5 years down the line, still we are going to make a lucky draw. So you just sign up for one time and you keep on winning it. Opportunity of a lifetime to win 1 full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one-time task. What is that one-time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning 1 Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw. So that's the first step. You click on the link, you register like in a couple of seconds, 100% free. The next step that you will need to do is do the KYC. KYC is know your customer. That is required for all the exchanges in the world, and you have to do it, and anyone has to do it. Why? Because obviously this is how the country is tracked. This is how this is your financial asset. So they need to verify this is your account, this is your real ID. You need to register via your name, via your real ID. Once verified, now you're eligible to buy and sell the cryptocurrency. Now we'll come to the second step. Second step is depositing the money. How do you deposit the money? As you can see, this is the home page. After logging in, this is how you'll see the home page. You click over here, buy crypto. You can directly deposit via the bank transfer, Swift bank transfer, as it sounds. You can buy directly via the credit or debit card. As you can see, buy crypto via the card. Easiest thing, right? Just use your credit card, debit card, money will be deposited. But now I'm going to show you this another method. One of the easiest method I also personally use, hassle-free. I do not have to use my own card, and this is P2P transfer. How does this work? This simply works that I pay any person in my country who is offering this P2P service. Let's say I want $1,000 deposit. So I pay within my local currency to that person via which method that he wants. Let's say he wants via Google Pay, bank transfer, in cash, whichever way. I do the manual transfer. I mean, I initiate the transaction over here. I do the manual transfer and I have the proof that I have done it. And instantly he's going to release that USDT amount in my account. And I have done it countless number of times. One of the easiest things. So let me just quickly click it for you. Let's say in this case, we have the INR, right? INR is the Indian rupees. So it is going to show me all the options that the people are actually selling the INR for. And not just that, it even has this tutorial for the newbies. Like you can just play it. It is going to show you how you can do that. Now for the Indian rupees, like multiple ways, as you can see, do not release the crypto. Like once the payment is completed, that's when you release the crypto, you send the payment. In this case, this is the Indian rupees. You are doing it from Japan, you select it yen as your currency. You are doing it from United States, you select USDT. So it is going to show all the people in your country selling as P2P. Now let's say he's having $266 available. This guy is having $10,000 available. Minimum is 90,000. That is approximately 1,200 minimum. And this is the rate he's giving. So I click on buy USDT and I mention amount of money that I want to have. Let's say I want to have probably 1,500 USDT, right? So how much money in INR I need to send? This much. Am I okay with that? Yes. I'll click on buy. The moment I click on buy, he'll be having a list of payment method. This is the payment method. So I locally transfer him this much amount of INR in this via this payment method. And the moment I have done it, I click over here and there will be option that yes, I have done it. And I have the proof with myself. So in case any dispute occurs, I'll show the proof and I'll be winning. So whoever is right is actually going to get it. But anyways, nobody does the fraud thing because they understand the account gets blocked if they're trying to do the fraud with this. So nobody does that. I've done it hundreds of times, very safe. So they are going to release the 1,500 USDT in my account. So I just paid him manually over here and they released the respective account. This is how I deposited the money onto the exchange. Very easy, right? What is the next step I want to do? I want to buy or sell any of the cryptocurrency. Now let's say in this case, we want to buy or sell the Bitcoin. I click on the markets. Again, guys, ensure that you guys subscribe. I mean, you guys sign up via the referral link that mentioned down below in the video description. Why? Because you want to have the maximum benefit, right? You want to have the maximum benefit. Like you want to win that one Bitcoin whenever the lucky draw happens. So why to deprive yourself of this? Now you sign up via the normal link, you don't get anything and it costs you nothing. While you sign up via the referral link below, you don't get, I mean, you get a chance to enter one full Bitcoin win and it still costs you nothing. So it is better for you guys. Now, here is the respective thing. Let's say I want to buy the Bitcoin. These are a lot of different cryptos available. I click on BTC. This is the BTC, right? And then the moment I click on, so this is a BTC BUSD. BUSD is the currency of Binance, BUSD. That is also a stable coin. So normally they open this one, but let's say over here we have deposited USDT. I wanted USDT. I click over here BTC and then I put /USDT. This is the link. I click over here, right? And the next thing I want is my respective buying and selling. So here, as you can see, I have okay, it'll even guide you with different pop-ups that okay, you can do this via this, you can do this. But anyways, here you can see available balance is 0 US. I mean, because obviously I haven't actually deposited right now. All my money is in the crypto itself. So let's say you have deposited $1,500. and this is which price that you want to buy the crypto at. Let's say you want to buy at this price, right? You click over here, it is going to do this. Let's say you want to wait that when it goes to $19,000, then I'm going to buy. And then how much amount that you want to buy for, let's say whatever amount that you had, $1,500, this much Bitcoin you're going to get. So I place the order. The moment I place the order, it is going to place the order and wait for the price to go down at this level. And the moment it goes down at this level, it is going to do the purchase for me. Now I have the Bitcoin in my account. It is going to show over here that this much Bitcoin you're having, right? Next time, let's say you want to come and sell it, right? Let's say Bitcoin price rises to $40,000 in the future, 6 months down the line. So here I mentioned the price $14,000, and this is the amount of Bitcoin I had. I paste it over here. As you can see, my $1,500 will be converted to this much amount of money I'll be getting. I click sell. It'll be sold and this much USDT will be in my account. And similarly, like let's say you want to cash out your USDT, it'll be simple withdraw function, very easy thing that you can see it anywhere, as well as you can even sell it in the form of P2P. Let's say you just want to have a locally transferred money, you can do this P2P thing. Everything is available as a guide inside, very easy to do the setup. So I hope that you found the tutorial helpful and easy. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do. But again, I'll repeat, ensure that you sign up via the link where you get the maximum benefit. And I believe there couldn't be a better benefit than being qualified to win 1 Bitcoin for the rest of your life. Every time the 1000 referral completes, you will be part of the lucky draw. So why not? So till then, I hope that you found the video helpful. Subscribe to our channel. This channel is everything to do with the crypto, NFT and the metaverse. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.